the last video I did on the get up and looking at it from a martial art perspective. Been getting a lot of comments. My first request on the YouTube channel was to do a breakdown of the squat style get up. So I'm gonna do another one on the get up, but I'm gonna bring in the squat. So we can set up the same way. Hand all the way inside, two hands, bring it. So I have the lock here, same hand and foot here. I'm initiating basing here, okay? So that's all identical. Now at this point we have that transition. So I'm raising my base to clear. So I have the ability to be free here, right? Can come into the lunge. But now if I'm gonna come into the squat from here, instead of bringing this back, I'm gonna bring it just under my hip. Now this rear hand base, I move that forward so that now I'm in a base here with a squat. And again, I have the control here. Okay, it's right there. Stand it up. Okay, stand it up. Now, drop it straight down into the squat. Again, you're dropping the hips, so you find the base, eyes on the ball, and you lower back down. So again, it's all the same from here. If I'm lunging, bringing this back. If I'm squatting, bring it here, post forward into this position. Stand it up.